Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zara and this is my world. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about wholesale blanks. So when I started my brand, it was kind of hard to find good websites to buy blank clothing from. I wanted to go into manufacturing to start off with, but that's a whole nother video to get into. It's a different level of doing things, but if you're trying to start your business on a budget, and you know it's a clothing brand, you're probably starting with t-shirts first. The best thing for you to do is research good websites for you to buy blanks from. Now what I did was I took time to research, but I also got word of mouth to be able to help me locate those precise websites that I need. So the first website that I'm going to talk about is called Ralawise, and with them they have quite a few categories of products. They do aprons, they do work stuff, they do t-shirts, hoodies, caps, kids clothing, sweatshirts, and a whole load of other things as well. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, but I do have to say some of the stuff they have and some of it they don't. So that's what made me find another website which is called Continental Clothing. They do blanks, but they literally do blanks just for their company. But the blanks that they do is ethically sourced, and majority of their products are also organic. They don't do a lot, they don't do any work stuff and stuff like that. They just do your generic hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, joggers, leggings, etc. But with that, if I can't find what I'm looking for on Ralawise, I tend to always go to Continental. But to be honest, with Continental, their hoodies and sweatshirts are gangster quality. You get me? They are gangster quality. I reckon if I'm not using manufacturing, like if I'm not using the manufacturing route and I'm only doing blanks, all my hoodies and my sweatshirts will literally come from Continental, because I'm not, it's not that I'm just being lazy, but it's not that I don't trust any other name brand. It's just what I'm used to. Gildan now, there is a hoodie that I want to research on and, you know, find out the reviews and see how it's doing. I might get that because that's on a cheaper price range than what I get now. The Continental hoodies range between £10 to £13, and then the Gildan heavyweight hoodie starts from £10. The last website that I use is buytshirtsonline.co.uk. With them, it's only for an emergency. If I don't find what I'm looking for in the other websites, I go with them. So those are the websites that I use for buying my blanks. And all you need to do is sign up with them, create an account, but you obviously need to have a legit business. Like, they request for your business name, if you have a website and stuff like that. I don't think they would sell to people without having a legitimate business. Unfortunately, majority of the wholesale websites that I've been on, they all request a particular type of information that only businesses can provide. So at the end of the day, I've given you three good websites that I use. Trust me, if you have Ralawise and Continental, there's not, you know, a lot of room to browse about. You have to kind of stick with them because they've got everything you need. But what you might find difficult in finding is joggers, and me not able to find the exact type of joggers that I loved, I then was pushed to go on to the manufacturing route, but like I said before, that's a whole nother topic for a whole different video. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.